N이잖아.
몰라?
649 only. 아내 연지씨의 가게 준비 때문에 온 뭘. 뭐야 이거? 하하. Look at that. 플래시라이트 18 페소 400원이잖아? 뭐야 이거 봐봐. 아, 야 이거 함석으로 만들었나봐. 4만원. 헬멧도 4만원이야. 와, 자전거 헬멧 4,000원. 여기 totally same like Unitap. Unitap also have this one. 400원짜리 수도꼭지예요. 얼만데? 근데 이거 very light야. This is not. This is aluminum. 굽다 멀티 로스터. 필리핀이 참 재밌는 게 중산층이나 외국인들 가는 쇼핑몰이 있고, 뭐야? 그리고 서민들이 가는 쇼핑몰이 좀 나눠져 있습니다. 42 only 1,000원이야. 기름값도 요즘에는 필리핀이 한국보다 비쌀 정도로 물가가 높은 나라가 필리핀인데, 서민들은 그러면은 한 달에 20-30만원 벌어서 어떻게 사냐 하실 수도 있지만, 이렇게 서민들이 오는 쇼핑몰이 있어요. 중국 물건들로 가득 차 있는데, 그래도 중국이 이런 물건들 안 만들어내면은 필리핀 서민들이 사업을 하거나 생활을 할 수가 없겠죠. 알티스가 얼마야? 1.3 밀리언 1600cc인데 터보도 안 달린 CVT가 가격이 왜 이렇게 비싸? What's this here?
Honeydew melon.
와, 현대가 2022년에 한 대도 못 팔았네. 충격적인 뉴스. 필리핀에서 현대자동차가 2022년도 1월달에 판 차는 제로, 버스나 트럭 같은 상용차 3대를 제외하고 일반적인 컨슈머 차는 한 대도 못 팔았다. 적당한 가격에 괜찮은 품질, 그리고 좋은 이미지로 승부하는 일본차, 그리고 아주 좋은 옵션에 저렴한 가격으로 승부하는 중국차, 그 사이 이도저도 아닌 현대가 필리핀 시장에서 낄 자리는 없다. You know, in 2022 January, Hyundai car only sale zero.
왜?
Because expensive, and then they didn't marketing. There's no new car launch. Let's try to go Hyundai. Let's check if there's still service. Your car is Kona, diba? Let's check if there's still service. This was the Hyundai bus truck 딜러십인데 트럭이랑 버스도 없네. 한 대도? 왜 없지?
어디 있어? 어디야?
좀 마킹이라면 되겠다. 뭐야? 뭐야?
Hi sir,
Hello?
how are you?
No more Hyundai?
Actually sir, our new models of Hyundai will arrive hopefully next week. But for now, all Shanghai as you can see, we have Hyundai cars, but Hyundai vehicles, but
Only truck.
Yes, yes. Are you from Korea, sir?
Yeah, I'm from Korea.
Because there's a new distributor mode.
New distributor.
Yes, before it used to be Harry or Hyundai Asia Resources.
Yeah, Pacific
yeah.
Resources. Yeah.
Now Hyundai Motor Philippines or HMPH.
It's from direct from Korea.
Yes.
Main company headquarter.
Yes.
That's better, I think.
Better, a lot better, because in terms of the pricing, sir, we're expecting the prices to be a little bit lower.
That's good. That's good. Yeah.
And also the specs in terms of the features. Before, sir, for example, for our Hyundai Accent, that has no, for example, touchscreen monitor, the basic.
We ride now Hyundai Kona.
Kona, yes.
It's also no option.
That's the thing about the previous Kona. But in terms of the power, this one is very, very nice as well, because it has a 2.0 liter engine.
아,
BMW style.
Yes.
BMW 스타일.
Kay Kwan ba wireless ang
Smart. Kung ano man siya, smart. Gilas na siya.
스마트 TV.
featured inside.
What exactly you're looking for? You're looking for
Oh, we are
an
just
SUV.
checking if there's a new car, something like a Tucson or Santa Fe.
The Tucson,
Yeah.
we have 4 models coming next week.
Ah, for models.
The Hyundai Creta, Hyundai Tucson,
Ah,
the Hyundai Santa Fe, and also the newest, the Hyundai Staria.
Staria, new Staria. Oh,
The replacement.
Star X, yeah.
Star X, yes.
Ah,
Hopefully the N-line Kona will also arrive.
Hyundai N9.
N-line. Have you seen it online, sir?
Yeah, I saw it.
It's very nice, very nice.
How about Ioniq 5?
Ioniq 5, yes.
Ayuni.
Pero this month, the one that I told you just now, the 4 models, not sigurado mga bot. But maybe there are new model comes, for example, the Hyundai Sonata, the Hyundai Elantra.
Sonata? Sonata maybe no one buy because in Philippines,
Expensive?
yeah, expensive. Maybe they think better buy SUV.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the same price for the Sonata.
Yeah.
You can only buy an SUV for the
Yeah.
price of Sonata.
Uh-huh.
Pasensya kay mama. Sir, sorry if we don't have any Hyundai cars as of now. Even other brands, other Hyundai dealership, there's no Hyundai.
Because the Hari already sold all or Tangtang all?
Yes.
Already.
Wala nang hurry. So the HMPH will take over, and then they will be the one handling all Hyundai branches in.
So her car warranty is still warranted. She can service here, diba?
Yes. We do have 2 branches here in Cebu. So any branches nationwide, we are all welcome. So for PMS,
But I have a question. There is a Chang'an, diba? But
China brand.
yeah, but that one distributor is Hari, diba?
Hurry, yes.
Yeah. If the Hyundai distributor is changed, how about Chang'an still here or?
They will transfer it. We have another one. It's under construction right now.
So
Going to SM Cebu.
the
Smaller than this one.
another Chang'an.
Shanghai, yes. Shanghai only. So for now, the owner of Mercedes-Benz Cebu, Shanghai Cebu, and Hyundai Cebu, pariharaman. So that's why for now, since we don't have Hyundai cars, kini lang siya among display. If the N-line will arrive, for sure the market will.
Well, very expensive maybe N9.
This one, 1,260,000 if I'm mistaken, the last price.
Yeah.
So maybe it will cost mga 1.3, 1.5. Because HMPH gave us already the let's say the price range for the units.
Oh, really?
It's very low compared to for example, the previous Santa Fe.
Very expensive.
Under Harry was 2.6 million.
Yeah.
Right now, the price range, maybe the maximum will be 2.1. So, very big savings for the
Yeah, I hope so.
customers.
That's really good. Many people need to know because someone who living in Philippines, they think Hyundai is too much expensive because
because
the
of
features
Harry.
is baseline.
I thought you were from Harry. I thought you were from HMPH because I was very afraid you will holding
like
your camera
it?
like this.
Don't care about this. I'm just small brother.
Maybe this sir is from HMPH or
No.
conducting an audit or something. Because some of, for example, before there are some Koreans from Hyundai Korea. They used to like dress like very casual and then
They act like
secretly interact with.
they act like a normal customer.
Yes. They talk to the sales consultants without telling us, I am from Hyundai. They're just conducting an audit or investigations. The people here.
So how do you know they are from the Hyundai Korea?
Eventually, they will after the visit, they normally send us an email. Our manager, and they will conduct. Your people, they're bad. They're handling customers. That's why I was a bit hesitant a while ago.
I think you're good. You're very good entertaining to customer.
Thank you so much for that, sir.
Hyundai Korea already know the problem of Hari, I think.
Maybe they have decided to let's just take this. They're giving out good prices for the new models, which is very good for the consumers also.
Yeah. I hope Hyundai get big market share.
Yes.
Yeah, because these days, Chang'an and Geely and
A lot
other,
of China brands.
their quality is actually good.
MG, Maxus.
MG, yeah, because the Geely is the same company with the Volvo.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so the engine is not bad.
Even Xiang'an, the cars of Xiang'an are very nice. And for a reasonable price, for example, for this one, the top of the line of the sedan, this is only 789,000.
Top of the line, but 700.
89.
89?
But we can still give discount for this one, maybe around 700,000.
경찰용 창가봐. 아주 희소식이죠. 드디어 현대 본사에서 필리핀 쪽을 관리한다고 하니까 확실히 판매가부터 내려가고, 판매가가 안 내려가더라도 안에 옵션만 꽉꽉 채워도 굉장히 희소식입니다. HD 45GT. 이렇게 현대가 트럭도 만들고 다 만드는 거 보면은 프레임 바디로 된 SUV도 충분히 만들 수 있는 회사인데, 아직까지는 미국이나 일본 브랜드에 대항할 만한 프레임 바디가 없다는 게 너무 아쉽네요. 프레임 바디까지 갖다가 팔면은 장난 아닐 텐데. Remote start? Oh. How about you can move using the remote? No.
Ilang po ni?
1,071,000.
Ah,
Turbo na ni.
1,071,000?
Yeah.
Only 71? Not 700?
1,071,000.
cheaper.
Leather seat sa tanan mama.
leather seat na. Oh.
썬루프 있고.
Leather seat.
썬루프 있고.
Oh.
Wow, nice na gini. Wala na gini siya ka ng murag. Katong sa kuan ba?
Vans?
Ford ba? Ford.
Ford?
Asa handbrake?
Era.
Uy. Ano?
Electronic. Hangin sa ligid, kita gid kanimo.
Ako ang hangin kay 34.
가격이 너무 싸다. So 1.5?
1.4 turbocharged.
1.4. So this is top of the line.
This is the base model.
Base model.
This is base model?
Yes. The top of the line, that one has a panoramic sunroof. This one is only
more long.
yes. And the bigger wheels or tires.
Oh,
This one, you know the design.
Yeah.
All lights are LEDs.
Sensor, dual exhaust.
then camera na po. Ano yun to? Oh my God. Sensor ako nagpabutang pa kong sensor, nagpabutang pa kong camera royo.
Katong yeah.
엔진 엄청 작아요.
Pero kung padag.
Nindot ba yun?
대단하거든요.
Lagi kay kompleto ba?
오케이, salamat.
Salamat kayo.
Salamat
Thank you
kayo.
so much for your time.
Thank you. salamat. 한국보다 비싼 것 같은데. You know, expensive than Korea야. 필리핀 가마 인컴, expensive gasoline than Korea. 왜? 먹을 거 줄까봐 신났어요? 먹을 거 줄까봐 신났어요? 아이고 꼬순내. 아이고 꼬순내. 샤워를 시켜도 꼬순내가 사라지지 않네. 맨날 표로 할 테니까 아주.
Ay,
코빅에 나오는 김두영 아저씨 닮았네요. 코빅에 나오는 김두영 아저씨랑 똑같이 생겼네요. 오늘도 이렇게 세부의 하루가 간다.